yellow can be quite a dividing colour when you talk to gardeners. Some people can't stand it and don't want it in the garden, and other people love it. I'm one of the other people. I love yellow. I find it really uplifting and joyful, but it is all about the tone. And for me, I like a mellow yellow. I'm married to a Welshman, and so daffodils are a must in my garden. And I've experimented with many, and the one I like the best is Art Perfume. It has rounded outer petals and a ruffled deeper yellow centre. It grows to about 50 centimetres high and stands up well to the wet, windy Welsh weather that we've got. It has a subtle scent and it flowers for ages, and it's top of my list for daffodils. My father used to rescue wild primroses when developers were building on wild sites, and that habit has been passed down to me. I love the mellow yellow colour. They only grow to about 10 centimetres tall, and they can flower from December through to May. But at Easter time, I'm guaranteed to have a tiny vase filled with little delicate primroses. I love Cicericiums because they're evergreen and they have this lovely fan-like structure to their leaves. And then in May, they send up these erect stems with beautiful, mellow, pale yellow flowers. And they seed quite prolifically and they're easy to divide in clumps. And I would recommend you put quite a lot of them scattered through the border so they repeat and give that structured cohesiveness to a border that makes it really special. Sometimes I only want a hint of yellow in the border, and yellow toadflax provides just that. Its really delicate flowers just poke their way through other plants, giving you a glimpse of yellow without being too dominating and leaving you wanting more. Try it and I think you'll be very impressed. Helianthus lemon queen is a second half of the summer flowering perennial. It can grow to about 8 feet with massive pale lemon yellow flowers. But if you don't want it that big, chop it down in May by about half of its new growth, and it will only grow to about 1 metre. The flowers will be smaller, it will flower later in the year, but either way, big or small, it's a fantastic addition to the flower border. If you like this video, click like and subscribe to get more really good tips from Gardener's World magazine.